Hi guys, trying to see this modern ceiling light for reviewing purposes. And I think it's really nice because all the combinations in colors are really nice. It's a black matte finish with some gold accents, which I find quite nice. It comes with everything you need to install, all the necessary parts, as you can see. Okay, so let's go ahead and start assembling it. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see now it's already assembled and installed. I think it looks really nice. You can choose different kinds of bulbs. I've got this one at hand. I usually still need to get the other 3 left light bulbs, but I think it's really nice. It's a very beautiful contrast between the gold and the black, which gives a very fancy feeling, and I like it a lot. It's easy to assemble, easy to install, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.